In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook closes automatically after opening 5 minutes. If Outlook keeps opening and then immediately shutting down, the most common cause is a recent bug or a mismatched build. The quickest fix is to update Outlook to the latest version. I'll walk you through that now and I'll add a few tips along the way so you don't get stuck. Start by opening the Outlook app on your computer, make sure you have an internet connection, and if possible close other Office apps like Word or Excel so the update can apply smoothly. If Outlook closes too quickly, try launching it again. Sometimes you only need a few seconds inside the app to reach the menu we need. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and select the File menu. This opens the Backstage view where you can manage accounts and settings. From there, look for Office Account on the left side. Depending on your version, it might appear as Account, Microsoft 365 Account, or Office Account. Select it to open the account and update pane. On the right, you'll see Update Options. Click that drop down. If you don't see update options, your device might be managed by your organization or using a volume license that doesn't allow self-service updates. In that case, check with your IT admin. If the option is available, choose Update Now. Outlook will check Microsoft servers and start downloading the latest fixes. Leave Outlook open while the update runs. You may notice a progress bar or a brief pause as the installer updates shared Office components. If you're prompted to close apps, go ahead and allow it. The updater can close Outlook and other Office apps automatically and then reopen them when it's done. This process can take a few minutes depending on your connection and how large the update is. When the update completes, relaunch Outlook. In most cases, the app will now open and stay open without crashing. If you want to confirm the update applied, return to File, then Office Account and look at the About Outlook section for the version number and the phrase updates are enabled. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure Windows is up to date as well, since system components can affect Outlook stability, and consider keeping automatic updates turned on so critical fixes arrive as soon as they're released. If the update options menu is missing or the problem continues even after updating, that usually points to organization policies or a deeper issue that may require repair or support. That's it. Updating Outlook is the fastest and most reliable way to stop the app from closing right after launch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got you back to your inbox.